Dear friend, have a nice day. Good evening. Now this is new speaking. I'm from Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province. My job is doing business, and my interest is sell the interesting products to the world. I like share. I like talk and discuss and communicate with the people in the world. Now today I will introduce how to remove the memory for the VGA card, and after the remove, then we add the memory to the VGA card. Now we begin. We begin to memory. 好，那开始。First we put the screw to get it out from the VGA card. There are many screws. Maybe spend 1 minute. We take off the cover from the VGA card. Wow, I think the engineer is so professional. He operates it so professional and so fast. I think he is the repairing expert. Now he turn on the arrow. Turn on the arrow. Take out the heat sink. Now just the VGA card PCB. Now he begin to remove the memory from the VGA card. Use the arrow. Now the arrow temperature is 74 degrees. He is removing the memory. Now one memory remove. The arrow is very hot. The arrow is very hot. So temperature is 474 degrees. Now he remove one memory. You can see he removed one memory. Oh, it's smoking. It's smoking. What's this VGA card? 你这个是什么 VGA card?
我已经帮你看。
This VGA card is crazy 2080 Ti. It's very high-end VGA card. I repeat one time. 2080 Ti. 80 Ti. Now clean the PCB board. Now clean the PCB board. Now he added the memory into the PCB board. How now? First, he need to fix it in the reasonable place. Now he use the arrow again. Below the hood, now the temperature is 474 degrees. It is very hot. Now he used the arrow to below. Use the high temperature to below the memory fixed on the VGA card PCB board. You can see he is very professional. He did the VGA card repair job more than 30 years. This is a very professional engineer. This is a really crazy job. This is a crazy and a surprise job. I have to say this is a crazy surprise and always job. Now nearly finished. You can see 3-piece memory fixed on the PCB board.然后嘞
OK，
不要测试一下吗 ？Okay, the engineer said that he already finished the memory into the PCB port. Now he put the heat sink and the copper to cover the PCB board. Now fix the screw. I have in the 3 minutes ago I have to say this job first me surprise crazy also great job worked more to did the VGA card repair job more than 30 years. He is very professional. You can see. I have to believe in it. This is a great, very great job.
可以了，这样子。
Now we finished. Thanks you watching. Next, I hope next time I will provide more and more nice video. Thanks you watching. See you next time. Please give me more likes and encourage and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.